This picture shows the pyramid of food. At the bottom of the pyramid, it is water, which is the most essential to human bodies. Above water, on the second layer of the pyramid, we can see fruits, bread, and cereals. Upper, there are milk, cheese, and meat. Finally, it comes to junk food at the top of the pyramid. To sum up, this graph tells about food divided into different layers.
This graph gives information about monthly temperature and precipitation. If you look at precipitation indicated by the blue bars, the largest number can be found in April, about 300. The smallest one can be found in July, which is almost 10. According to the graph, for the temperature represented by the black line, the largest value is in March, and it is about 23. What's more, the lowest temperature occurs in July, just 20. In conclusion, mid-year is the coolest and driest period.
The following graph gives information about temperature of Beijing, China. The items include daily high and daily low throughout the year. You can see from this graph that in daily high, the temperature of January is around 1 degree centigrade. What's more, in daily high, that of July is around 30 degrees centigrade, which is the highest. According to this graph, in daily low, it is around 22 degrees centigrade in July, a lower one. Finally, in daily low, the value of December is around minus 10 degrees centigrade as the lowest to sum up. The graph tells us about Beijing's temperature. The following graph gives information about the average household energy consumption. The items include other appliances, water heating, cooking, and so on. According to this graph, the proportion of other appliances is around 24%, and that of water heating is lower, which is around 23%. You can see from this graph that the highest percentage is other appliances, around 24%. Also, the lowest point is cooking and standby, just 5%. To sum up, other appliances have the highest proportion of average household energy consumption. The line chart shows the projected population in Australia in millions. According to the chart, the Series A has increased dramatically from 20 in 2001 to 65 in 2101. Following that, Series B has increased moderately from 20 to 45, from 2001 to 2101. However, Series C has increased slowly from 20 to 35 over the same period. In conclusion, the projected population in Australia is expected to increase in the coming years.